Bybit launches digital rupee for secure INR payments. The crypto exchange Bybit has introduced a digital rupee, a new payment method for Indian rupee transactions. The launch aims to provide a secure alternative for INR users on its platform. Bybit aims to enhance INR payments with launch of digital rupee. Bybit, a digital currency trading platform, announced the introduction of the digital rupee for its INR users. This wallet-based mobile payment solution seeks to address security concerns associated with traditional banking transactions. By implementing a rupee, Bybit said on Tuesday that it aims to protect merchants from cyber threats, ensuring a more secure financial environment for all users. Joan Han, Sales and Marketing Director at Bybit, stated that the incorporation of a rupee is expected to enhance the payment experience and foster trust in transactions. The initiative, the Bybit executive remarked on Tuesday, is also anticipated to attract more merchants to the platform, thereby driving business growth and expanding Bybit's market reach. We are excited to unveil digital rupee as a cutting-edge payment option for our valued users, the Sales and Marketing Director at Bybit stated. The growth of stablecoins and fiat-pegged tokens signifies a crucial transformation in the financial sector. As these digital assets gain popularity, they connect conventional finance with cryptocurrency, providing stability in a volatile market. Although there are numerous fiat-pegged tokens linked to currencies other than the US dollar, American dollar-based crypto assets overwhelmingly lead the market. What do you think about the digital rupee from Bybit? Comment section below.